How to add and edit users to your blog. You can control the permissions of users in your WordPress blog. To do so, go to your WordPress dashboard and you'll see a section called Users. You can view all users by clicking All Users. Currently there's just one user. Let's say I want to add an editor or a writer to the blog. All I need to do is add a new user, enter a username, an email, and fill in the rest of the details including the password. You can also send the password to this user. This section called Role gives access levels to the user. In this drop-down menu, you've got Subscriber, Administrator, Editor, Author, and Contributor. A subscriber is only allowed to read your blog posts and pages. An administrator has full control over the blog. An editor can edit blog posts and pages. And an author can write new blog posts. And lastly, a contributor can add to a current blog post. So I'm going to give this user an author role and simply click Add New User. And now I'm done. I can easily edit users by clicking Edit under their name. So if I want to give this user a new role, such as an administrator, I can do so and click Update User. And that's it. How to add a contact form. With any site, you want your customers or readers to be able to contact you. And as you can see, this blog example has no Contact Us form. So to add one, we need to install a plugin. The first thing you want to do is log into your WordPress blog. Inside, go to Plugins and go to Add New. And what you want to search for is Fast Secure Contact Form. This is the particular plugin you need to add a contact form. There are other plugins you can use, but this one's very simple and easy to install. So once you've searched, you'll find a Fast Secure Contact Form. Simply install now. Press OK. And now you can activate the plugin. You can see now a Fast Secure Contact Form is in the installed plugins. What we need to do next is go to FS Contact Form Options. Here are the options. You can customize the form using these fields here. The most important is the email address. So when someone submits their query using your contact form, this is the email address that it'll send to. So make sure this email address is correct. There are other options here you can customize. Just take a look at them and see what you like. Once you've finished customizing, make sure you save it. And then the next thing is to copy this shortcode here. As you can see, SI contact form equals 1. I'm just going to copy that. And what we need to do next is go to Pages. We need to create a new page called Contact Us. So I'm going to call this Contact Us. And the next thing you want to do in this field here, make sure you've selected HTML view instead of visual so you can insert the code. Next we can just publish. We can now view the page. And as you can see, the Contact Us is now featured on our navigation bar here. And this is the Contact Us page. And that's all there is to it. How to add an image to a blog post or page. Under the Post section, select your post. I'm going to edit this blog post. And I want to add an image in between these lines here. At the top of the editor, you'll see Upload Insert. What you want to do is add an image, which is this little icon here. It'll bring up the image tool. Now you have several options here. You can select from your computer. You can select from a URL, your gallery, or media library. For this example, I'm going to select it from my hard drive. So this is the image I want to insert. Click Open. And now it's uploading, and now it's finished. I can name this image. And an alternate text. And now you can also link the image to a URL. I don't want the link to go to the image again, so I'll just remove this. You can also align the image the way you want. We can select left, center, right, or none. I'm going to select center. And then choose a size. The full size image, large, medium, or thumbnail version. I'm going to select the full size. What you want to do next is not click Save All Changes, but instead insert into Post. And now you can see it's inserted. If I click Update, it should update the blog post with the image. And now let's view the post. And now you can see the image centered here. We can also edit the image once it's in place. Simply click on the image once and you'll see this option here called Edit Image. This will bring the image settings. And now I can change the size of the image as well using this here. I can also go to Advanced Settings, where I can add a border and spacing and all these other advanced settings. So that's how to add an image to a blog post or page. The same steps apply when you want to add a new image to a page. How to back up your blog. To back up your blog, you need to install a special plugin. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Next, go to Add New. In the search field, type in WP Manager and search plugins. There are of course other plugins you can select, but WP Manager is one of the well-known ones. So in this list, it's called WP Manager, and then click Install Now. Click OK. And now it's installed. Simply activate the plugin. And now it's activated. On the left side, you'll see a new settings area here called Database. To back up your database, simply go to Backup DB. And you can see down the bottom here, a button called Backup. So to back up your database, simply click Backup. And you can see that your database has been backed up successfully. There are other options here which you can use, such as Manage Backups, Optimize your database, Repair your database, Empty drop tables, but you won't need to touch any of these settings. In Manage Backup Database, you'll see a list of backups that you've made. You can always restore and delete your backups. And there's an option to email the database to your email address. So that's how to back up your blog. How to change the theme of your WordPress blog. Changing the theme of your WordPress blog is the easiest and fastest way to give your WordPress blog a new look and feel. To do so, log into your WordPress blog, go to the Appearance section, and then to the Themes. Go to the Install Themes section, and now you can search for themes according to keyword, author, or tag. For this example, I'm just going to go to Featured section, and I can look around to see which theme I like. You can easily preview each theme by clicking on Preview. And this is just an example of how your blog would look like. So let's say I'm happy with this theme here. I can simply click Install. And then click Install Now. And now it's successfully installed. I can activate this theme or I can preview it. Let's activate it. Most themes have its own options, such as this one here. This is a way to customize the look and feel. If I refresh my blog, you can see the changes take effect. To change your theme, you can go back to your Themes section and activate any other installed themes. So let's say I want to revert back to the 2010 theme. I simply click Activate under the 2010 theme. And now it's activated. When I enter my blog, you'll see the changes take effect. So that's how to quickly and easily change a theme of your WordPress blog.